ASICO, the world leader in toric marking, presents the Akahoshi electronic toric markers. They are the world's first toric markers to use the sense of sight and sound to ensure an accurate toric mark. These devices have revolutionized toric marking to an accuracy that has never been achieved before.
I wanted something incredibly accurate, easy to use, and significantly contributes to better outcomes with consistently perfect alignments.
Since inception of ASICO in 1983, the lifeline of the company is product innovation. Today's precision is tomorrow's vision. Be it a new procedure or improvement of current procedure, our product innovation is driven towards better outcomes. This has been made possible from the request and concept by the ophthalmic community to ASICO. Challenge of what if, why not? We call this concept to reality service.
The benefits of implanting a toric IOL as opposed to the conventional non-toric IOL is its ability to correct the pre-existing astigmatism during cataract surgery. It is critical for the toric lens to be implanted at the corrected axis in order for the lens to maximize its corrective effect. For every 1 degree of toric misalignment, a toric lens will lose 3% of its corrective effect. With the conventional toric markers, we couldn't attain such an accurate axis marking. This electrical toric marker indicates its horizontal position quite accurately with these 3-colored LCDs and also with the sound.
Here is how it works. When the electronic toric marker is tilted to the right or left, the marker will beep and show an orange or red light. An orange light and moderate beeping indicates a slight tilt, while a red light and fast beeping indicates an extreme tilt. Only when the marker is held perfectly horizontal will it show a green light and stop beeping. Based on the physician's preference, the sensitivity and sound settings can be adjusted on the electronic toric device using the buttons on the top. The electronic toric device can be set to be as sensitive as 0.2 degrees. The handle on the electronic toric marker is ergonomically designed and offers extreme stability as it is held by the thumb and index finger. The marker comes in 2 models, one for reference marking and the other for one-step toric marking. Catalog number AE2929 is designed to make 2-step reference marks. This marker makes 2 marks at the 0 and 180-degree positions on the eye. When the marker is held perfectly horizontal, the physician can make precise preoperative marks to act as a reference to the intraoperative marks. The Akahoshi electronic toric marker also comes in a one-step marker that is designed to mark the desired axis preoperatively. This catalog number is AE2930. The marking points can be aligned by turning the outside dial to the correct toric axis. When the marker is held perfectly horizontal, the physician can make intraoperative marks before surgery, for the electronic leveling device works as a 0-180 guide. This completes all toric marking in just one simple step.
Hi, my name is Charles Ahn. I'm an ophthalmologist in the western suburbs of Chicago. I'm a cataract surgeon, and one of the interests that I have is optimizing outcomes for patients undergoing cataract surgery with premium lenses. Some of the other markers that I've used in the past, such as this one right here, has a round handle, and so you have to rely on your visual inspection to line up the axis, and as you go forward, it may easily rotate in your fingers and in your hand. So even if you had the right axis initially, as you're going forward to mark the eye, it may actually rotate. Where with this flat handle, this ergonomic design fits nicely in your hand, and it allows you to stay right on that axis as you have continuous feedback from the lights and from the sound of the device. thereby allowing you to place an accurate mark on the cornea or on the limbus. By having that, then you can go ahead and mark the eye fairly easily in the preoperative holding area while the patient is sitting up.
With the electric AXsys marker, the axis is set on the dial, and by a single action, we can mark the desired axis on the eye. It is simple. When the patient is sitting upright before the surgery, you first turn the dial to the proper toric axis reading. You then go to make marking. When the light is green and the marker stops beeping, you know you have a perfect horizontal axis, and then make the mark. It's that simple. For the patient with narrow lids or deep-set eyes, the electric reference marker is useful. Through the narrow lids, we can mark 0 and 180 degree positions quite easily.
We know that there is a high bar that has been set. There's a higher standard now with premium intraocular lenses. Patients are paying extra for these premium lenses, and they deserve nothing but the best. And so we try to provide them with the best possible outcomes after surgery. The outcomes after toric intraocular lens surgery will depend on correct placement of the intraocular lens on the correct axis. And part of that success deals with identifying the correct axis preoperatively in the holding area. And this device will certainly allow us to be able to do that more easily and more accurately to provide that patient with that optimal outcome.
Order your electronic toric marker today. ASICO, where today's precision is tomorrow's vision.